she has to coordinate Madhuri, so that is keeping her downstairs sideways. Just give us 2 minutes, we are about to start. Kindly put your mobile phones on the silent mode or please switch them on. Thank you.
Thank you.
And all my colleagues. It is indeed a pleasure to welcome you all in this exit meeting with the National Assessment and Accreditation Council. To begin with, may I now call upon our principal, Dr. Pushpa Rajade, to propose the rationale of the meeting.
Namaste and good morning to everyone and all. Honorable Chairman, Dr. Sudhamani Raghunathan, Honorable Coordinator, Dr. Kshama Agarwal, Honorable Member, Dr. Pushpa Kutanna, Honorable Chairman of the Sanstha, Chairman of the College, Principals of the Maharshi Karve Sri Sanstha, Principals of the Colleges of Savitribai Phule Pune University, Honorable Guides, friends, my colleagues and staff. My first tribute goes to Savitribai Phule and of course Maharshi Karve. It is because of the hardships they endured that we all are here. Today I am here to welcome you to the exit meeting with the NAC peer team. When we came to know all the peer team members are lady members, we are very happy. It is a fact that women can understand the problems of women, and the way the committee is looking towards the students is very helpful and positive. The committee knows very well that we are working for the upliftment of women. What they have suggested for that is highly appreciable. Of course, the committee is graceful and rich in experience. They were soft in their approach but firm in their opinions. They appreciated our work but thoroughly scrutinized it and have made the appropriate recommendations. We really admire their friendliness towards us. Real peer team. The peer team on the board have meetings with the management, alumni, parents, and compulsorily enjoying the entertainment program. This evaluation is but a step in the process of continuous self-improvement and progress. Our staff and Sanstha had started the ball rolling from the day the accreditation committee departed in 2009. We worked as a team and our only objective is to make ourselves an excellent college on all forms. We have improved the infrastructure, we have improved the quality of teaching, we have improved library services by digitization and provided many more facilities to schools. The management has backed us in every aspect. We also have improved the research by teachers, minor and major projects were undertaken, many doctoral theses were completed, and those who already have the doctorates improved themselves to guide and were recognized by other universities as referees. Many have written textbooks for students and even references for wider groups. We have conducted many programs and activities for students to develop their personalities. We help them to stand on their own feet with confidence by helping them with placement cell and counseling. I am glad to note that management of the Sanstha and college is always with us. They have faith in us and know that whatever steps we take, that would be the step towards excellence. We have been continuously in the process of the self-improvement. In 2009, we were a small college, but thereafter Siddhivinayak was on the path of development. Development in infrastructure helps to improve the quality. Now we have a substantial number of courses and students. New place for sports was provided and students' activities in sports flourished tremendously. The girls reached up to the national level ranking. One of our students went to Paralympics and earned a bronze medal. Library space increased from 500 square feet to 5,000 square feet. And many facilities like open access library, good sizable reading hall, photocopying facility, internet access are provided. Library is like Annapurna or the goddess of nutrition in higher education. We are a part of Maharshi Karve Stree Shikshan Sanstha and dedicated to women's education. Though we are giving formal education like languages and social sciences in arts faculty, the faculties like commerce, BBA and science do have some vocational value. We are getting good response from students and parents and we are getting appreciated from stakeholders. This college is a combination of various different departments working together in unity. Every department was trying hard to improve its own quality, but at the same time helping the other departments too. I have experienced unity in diversity here. This process of evaluation was taken in spirit of teamwork and we enjoyed everything from writing re-accreditation report to planning the exit meeting. I would like to conclude with the note that we will keep ourselves on the path of continuous improvement. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. Our NAC committee is chaired by Dr. Sudhamahi Raghunathan, who is the former Vice Chancellor of the Jain Vishwabharati University situated at Rajasthan. Madam is also a creative performing artist and has many laurels to her credit. We'd like to felicitate her. May I now request our principal again, Dr. Pushpa Razade, to felicitate Dr. Sudhamahi Raghunathan, please. Bharat Rasa Maharshi Anna Dhalme, which is translated into English. Dr. Pushpa Kutanna is the member of the committee. Madam is the former principal of the Field Marshal K.M. Karyappa College at Madikeri. She has a doctorate in the subject of sociology and she is a national level player in the game of basketball. May I again request to the autobiography, of course, it is translated into English by H.J. Gould, who is himself a rationalist and lecturer in ethics. As our principal was telling you, the interaction with the NAC committee has really been a wonderful experience for us. Allow me to share this with you all that our interaction was indeed very enriching. All the members were very compassionate to us and their insights and suggestions were profound and very comprehensive. We would like the committee to share their experiences with you as well. So may I now request the chairperson, Dr. Raghunathan, to guide us, please.
Namaskar and good morning. On behalf of my colleagues and myself, I begin by invoking the blessings of Maharshi Karve and Daya Karve and who continue to inspire us. I recall to memory Srimati Savitri Phule. This morning, the Times of India says Google has prepared a special icon celebrating her birth anniversary. So it couldn't have come at a better time on a better day. On behalf of my colleagues and myself, I begin by thanking the principal, the team, and the entire Sansthan, and the members of the management, the chairperson of the management, the office bearers of other institutions in the Sansthan, the principal, her team, and the faculty members whom we've been meeting for the past 2 days. We thank you all for your hospitality, for exposing us to your Sansthan, to giving us spiritual as well as professional work to do. We also congratulate the principal and her team for having successfully completed the third cycle of the NAAC accreditation. I think she deserves an applause. With the completion of the third team, you're all past masters at NAAC. So what can I say? So I'll tell you a story. There were 3 people who were on one summer's day walking in search of knowledge. You know, in those days they walked to seek knowledge, to meet new people. And that is the kind of knowledge we people take back from you now when we come. So these 3 people were going on a summer's morning and were very thirsty. They were looking for water. They heard the sound of a waterfall somewhere and they went in that direction. And they found the waterfall. What would you think? You would think that immediately they would start drinking water because they were very thirsty. But instead, there was a board that caught their attention. That board said, "Treat me as your ideal." And why would one treat a waterfall as an ideal? And I can understand it was some great human being, but why, or a god, or a divine person, but why a waterfall? Then one of those men or women, one of those persons said, "I think I know. The waterfall has momentum, it is gati, it is moving all the time. So that is why it should be the ideal." Like in education, we expect constant research, constant education, constant understanding of the progress in your field. The other person said, "I think I know. Because it is useful, it gives us water to drink when we want it." And so too in education. Unless it is of use to people, it doesn't make any sense. And the third person says, "But I think most important of all, it is pure, it is nirmal. That is why it is drinkable, it is potable water." So too in education, unless there is a process, unless there is a procedure, unless there is a involvement of all the stakeholders, education is not meaningful. This is the path that NAAC is leading us to. This is the path that NAAC is showing in all its exercises. So NAAC is not an event. And as the principal has shown and said just now, since your last assessment, you all have been working hard and have made it a process and not an event. Over the past couple of months, the report has been sent to us and we have they have been reading it for a longer time and I have been reading it for a lesser time. But we have been perusing the report and trying to understand the institution before coming here. On coming here, we tried to see what we had understood and what we were seeing, how they matched. It goes to the credit of my colleagues that they had understood the institution so well that last night when we shared the report with the principal, she had little to change. I congratulate my colleagues for the understanding of the institution. What did we see? We saw many good things. We saw, for instance, a samsthan, a management which was looming larger than what we had read in the report. We saw it was supportive, it was proactive, and it was committed. We saw an infrastructure that is generous, that is lavish, that is adequate. But day before yesterday, when we met the management, we had a little discussion on how sometimes when you have too much, you don't know what you have. So you take it for granted. Now I think the time has come for the institution to formalize, structure, harness and coordinate and consolidate all that it has so that it is a streamlined process of offering education. Because everything, even though yours is a beautiful community where everybody is volunteering, participating and together, however, for institution making, one needs to have separate procedures and formal arrangements and agreements.